Hello, I like to talk about food and mood. This is important because what we eat can impact your own sense of well-being and help you feel level-headed, in control. Many people don't realize certain food and drinks can make you feel moody or give you foggy mind. Our digestive system is sometimes called second brain. When we have a happy gut, we have a happy mind. This clarity helps us make better decisions. This clarity is why we want to eat food that can nourish you, not make you feel lousy. You may be wondering how to do this. How can I know what food nourishes me? To help with process of cleaning your digestive system, have, having a happy gut, achieve a clear mind, you might want to try my 14 days clean eating challenge. Let me share a story with you about my VIP success client. She tried my 14-day clean eating challenge. She lost to 10 pounds and she gained the energy. Is having a clear mind important for you? I invite you to imagine with me for a moment. You know exactly what you want in your life and nothing gonna stop you. If you're interested, join this 14-day clean eating challenge. I will post a link below. This is a women only. To join this group, totally free. It's free and there's no catch to this. You can do this by follow my videos I start posting December 27th. Next one starts January 3rd, 2022. So you want to join today? In a moment, I'm going to make it really easy for you. If you want to take a deeper dive. Those that enjoy having coach, if you feel like I can help you out, get quick result with my 90 days transformation system or a half day VIP, look younger, live healthier program. Would you like to be in control of your health? Live healthier and longer life? Let me show you how I have this completely planned out for you step by step. For the 90 days program, first we are going to find out where you're at, then decide what goal you want to reach. We are going to have a total 12 sessions together. Each session, I'm going to share with you keyword information. Then you will be making your own action step that fit in your lifestyle. Gradually, you will be develop new belief. When you change your belief, your life changes. I invest myself in health and wellness, thinking that if I can maintain my health, I can help others too. Would you like to feel good in your own skin? This is for you if you're not happy with current situation. This is not for you if you're waiting too long to get the result you want. Would you like to know what the investment in this program? How much would you save if you are much healthier now? There's always another way. Join the 14-day clean eating challenge. Then send me direct message if you are ready to make a deep change.